So next we have problem z equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of y. Here we have two functions f of x and pi of y. To eliminate that functions, we have to differentiate the given equation two times, partially with x and y. So take the given equation as equation 1 and differentiate partially with x and y. So first with x, so that means z with respect to x, which will becomes del z by del x, which can be taken as p, which is equal to, so here we are going to treat y as constant. So keep y as it is, and the differentiation of f of x is f dash of x plus, so here x becomes 1, so pi of y is constant, so that will be remain same. Therefore, p is equal to y into f dash of x plus pi of y. Take that equation 2. Next, with respect to y, so z with respect to y, that is del z by del y, so which can be taken as small q, which is equal to, here we are going to treat x as constant, x terms as a constant. So y into f of x, here y becomes 1. When we differentiate with respect to y, y becomes 1 into f of x plus x into differentiation of pi of y is pi dash of y. Therefore, q is equal to f of x into plus pi of x into pi of y, pi dash of y. Sorry. So this is equation 3. Now again differentiate del z by del x with respect to x. So that will become del square z by del x square, which can be taken as small letter r, which is equal to, here y into f dash of x, differentiation of y into f dash of x with respect to x is y into f double dash of x plus pi of y. Pi of y is a constant, so differentiation of pi of y with respect to x is 0. Therefore, r is equal to y into f double dash of x. So that is equation 4. Now again differentiate del z by del y with respect to y. So that is del square z by del y square, which can be taken as small letter t, which is equal to, here differentiation of f of x with respect to y is 0. Since we are going to differentiate with respect to y, x is becomes 0 plus x into pi dash of y, differentiation of pi dash of y is pi double dash of y. Therefore, t is equal to x into pi double dash of y. So that is equation 5. Now differentiate del z by del x with respect to y or del z by del y with respect to x. So both are same. So here del square z by del x into del y, which can be taken as small s, okay, which is equal to, so differentiation of del z by del x with respect to y. So here y into f dash of x, differentiation of y into f dash of x with respect to y is, here y becomes 1, so remaining is f dash of x plus differentiation of pi of y with respect to y is pi dash of y. So s is equal to f dash of x plus pi dash of y. So that is equation 6. Now from equation 2, we have p minus pi of y divided by y equal to f dash of x. From equation 2, we keep f dash of x on right side and remaining terms are transferred to left side. So that will become p minus pi of y divided by y is equal to f dash of x. And in similarly, from equation 3, we got q minus f of x divided by x is equal to pi dash of y. So using these results in equation 6, So in equation 6, in RHS we have f dash of x plus pi dash of y. So the above results are substituted in equation 6. So we obtain s is equal to p minus pi of y divided by y plus q minus f of x divided by x. Or, so taking the LCM, we obtain s is equal to px minus x into pi of y plus qy minus y into f of x. Cross multiply xy towards left side, we obtain xys is equal to px plus qy minus of x pi of y plus y f of x. Again use this result in equation 1. So we get xys is equal to px plus qy minus z, which implies taking minus z to left side, we get xys plus z is equal to px plus qy. So which is the required partial differential equation. Next we have solution of non-homogeneous differential equations by direct integration. So in that we have a problem del square u by del x square which is equal to x plus y. So consider the equation, given equation del square u by del x square which is equal to x plus y. So that can be written as del by del x of del u by del x. Here del square u by del x square can be written as del by del x of del u by del x, which is equal to x plus y. So to eliminate del by del x, we have to integrate with respect to x, treating y as constant. So that del by del x eliminates, remaining is del u by del x, which is equal to integration of x plus y with respect to x plus, so by treating y as constant, you have to add the function of y. So here we adding f of y. So which implies del u by del x is equal to integration of x with respect to x is x square by 2 plus integration of y with respect to x is xy plus f of y. So again to eliminate del u by del x, integrate with respect to x. So we obtain u is equal to integration of x square by 2 plus xy plus f of y. Here f of y is also a function, so we have to integrate with respect to x plus, so again we are going to add the function of y, so that is g of y. So integration of x square by 2 becomes x cube by 6 plus integration of xy is with respect to x is x square by 2 into y plus integration of f of y with respect to x is x into f of y plus g of y. So which is the required equation or solution. Now next problem is del cube z by del x square into del y which is equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. The given partial differential can be written as del by del x of del by del x of del z by del y. Here del cube z by del x square into del y is the function z is differentiated partially with respect to x 2 times and again with respect to y 1 time. So splitting that, we can write that as del by del x of del by del x of del z by del y, which is equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. So to eliminate del by del x, we have to integrate with respect to x, treating y as constant. Therefore 1 del by del x get cancelled. We have remaining is del by del x of del z by del y, which is equal to integration of cos of 2x plus 3y with respect to x plus adding the function of y, f of y. So del by del x of del z by del y, which is equal to integration of cos of 2x plus 3y becomes sin of 2x plus 3y divided by, again integration of 2x, differentiation of 2x plus 3y is 2 plus f of y. So again we have to integrate with respect to x to eliminate del by del x. So remaining is del z by del y, which is equal to integration of sin of 2x plus 3y divided by 2 plus f of y with respect to x, plus again add the function of y, that is g of y. So del z by del y, which is equal to integration of sin of 2x plus 3y divided by 2 is, so 1 by 2, keep it outside, so minus of cos of 2x plus 3y divided by 2, integration of sin is minus cos, plus integration of f of y with respect to x is x plus x into f of y plus g of y. So del z by del y, which is equal to minus 1 by 4 to cos of 2x plus 3y plus x into f of y plus g of y. Again to eliminate del by del y, finally we have to integrate with respect to y, treating x as constant. So which becomes z is equal to, keep minus 1 by 4 outside, integration of cos of 2x plus 3y plus x into f of y plus g of y with respect to y, plus since we are going to integrate with respect to y, we have to add the function of x, that is h of x. So that will become z is equal to minus 1 by 4 into integration of cos is sin, so sin of 2x plus 3y divided by, since here we are integrating with respect to y, so differentiation of 3y becomes 3, differentiation of 2x is 0. So in denominator we got 3 plus x into f dash of, sorry, integration of f of y can be written as capital F of y, plus integration of g of y can be written as capital G of y, plus h of x. So z is equal to minus sin of 2x plus 3y divided by 4 into 3 is 12 plus x into f function of y plus function of g of y plus h of x. So that is the required solution. Now next problem is del square z by del x into del y, which is equal to sin x into sin y, for which del z by del y, which is equal to minus 2 sin y when x equal to 0 and z equal to 0 if y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, or z is equal to 0 if y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, that is odd multiple. So first we find z by integration and apply the given conditions to find out the final results. So the given equation can be written as del by del x of del z by del y, which is equal to sin x into sin y. So to eliminate del by del x, we have to integrate with respect to x, treating y as constant. So that will become del z by del y, which is equal to, sin y is constant, so keep it outside, integration of sin x with respect to x plus function of y. So del z by del y, which is equal to sin y of integration of sin is minus cos x plus f of y. So that will become minus sin y into cos x plus f of y. So take that equation 1. Now again integrate with respect to y to eliminate del by del y, treating x as constant. So we got z is equal to minus integration of minus sin y into cos x plus f of y with respect to y plus function of x. So z is equal to cos integration of minus sin y into cos x becomes cos y into cos x plus integration f of y into dy plus g of x. So take that equation 2. So now use the given data. So by given data we have del z by del y is equal to 2 sin y when x equal to 0. Use this in equation 1. So in equation 1 del z by del y becomes 0, sorry, minus 2y, which is equal to minus sin y into cos x, here x equal to 0, therefore that is cos 0 plus f of y. Therefore f of y is equal to minus 2 sin y plus sin y. Therefore f of y is equal to minus sin y. So use this result in equation 2. So we obtain z is equal to cos y into cos x plus integration of f of y is minus sin y with respect to y plus g of x. So finally z is equal to cos x into cos y plus integration of minus sin is cos, so cos y plus g of x. So this is equation 3. Now use the data, that is when z is equal to 0 we have y is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, that is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So z becomes 0, z is equal to 0, therefore 0 is equal to cos x into cos y, that means cos of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus again cos of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus g of x. Therefore here odd multiple of pi by 2, angle of cos of odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore g of x becomes 0. So again use this result in equation 3. We obtain z is equal to cos x into cos y plus cos y. Therefore z is equal to cos y is a common factor, keep it outside. We obtain z is equal to cos y of cos x plus 1, which is the required solution.